Billions of years ago, Mars looked nothing like the cold, dusty world we see today. It had rivers, it had lakes, and it may have been had vast ocean covering huge parts of the planet. In fact, you had seen Mars back then, you might have mistaken it for Earth. So, what happened? How did a planet that once had water everyone become a frozen desert? And could life have existed there before everything changed? Let's find out. Today Mars is dry and lifeless, but scientists have discovered clear evidence that billions of years ago liquid water flowed across its surface. Ancient river valleys can still be seen from space. There are lakebeds, channels, and minerals that only form in the presence of water. This tells us something incredible. Mars was not always a dead planet. It was once warm enough for water to exist. And wherever we find water, we usually ask the same question: could there have been life? This is the one reason NASA keeps sending rovers to Mars. Rovers like Perseverance are exploring places that were once covered by water. Perseverance is currently studying Jezero crater, an area scientists believe was once an ancient lake. As it travels across the Martian surface, it continues to find clues from Mars's water past. It has discovered rocks, minerals, and chemical signatures that suggest water exists there for a very long time. And that's important because on Earth, wherever there is long-lasting water, life often follows. Scientists have not found proof of life on Mars, but the clues are strong enough to keep the search going. The biggest difference between Earth and Mars may be something we cannot see: a magnetic field. Earth has a powerful magnetic shield that protects our atmosphere from the sun. Mars once had a magnetic field too, but billions of years ago it weakened and disappeared. Without that protection, solar wind began stripping away Mars's atmosphere. As the atmosphere became thinner, the planet grew colder, its lakes dried up, its rivers vanished, and much of its water either escapes into space or become trapped underground and in ice. Slowly, Mars transformed from a world that may have supported life into the barren planet we know today. Today, NASA's rover continues searching for answers hidden beneath the Martian surface. Every rock they study brings us closer to understand what happened, because Mars is not just a story about another planet. It's a reminder that even worlds that once seemed alive can change forever. And the biggest question still remains: if Mars once had water, did it also have life? What do you think about it? Because 4 billion years ago, this was not a dead planet. Now take a look at these mysterious and curious rock formations captured by NASA's Mars rovers. At first, they may look like ordinary rocks, but each one tells a story that is billions of years old. Some have strangely unusual shapes and textures that scientists are carefully studying to understand how they formed. Many of these rocks were created when Mars had rivers, lakes, and flowing water billions of years ago. That's why every new rock formation helps scientists piece together the history of the red planet and bring us one step closer to answering whether Mars was once capable of supporting life.